We absolutely crushed it today, made 106% profits on a pretty easy trade. We did Amazon 112 calls, but let's just get right into it. We've had a pretty great week so far, although prior trades this week have all been pretty quick for smaller amounts of profits, but today we doubled our money. So here's what we did. So first things first, we're looking at Amazon. As you can see, the day is still going, but we'll see what happens. We're looking at Amazon and the rest of the market. So what we can see, Amazon is pretty much flat up until a little bit about an hour before market opener, hour before market open. And we can see it's kind of breaking above this 110.7 area, and that is significant because of these two spots here, right? This is pretty obvious to everyone. This is going to be a major support level. Now, one thing to keep in mind is we could have seen a little bit of a drop lower, and we did. And so I did want to wait for Amazon to drop a bit down to this area. And that's exactly what we did. So if we take a look, again, market open, initially, we had this big move up, which was at the time a little disappointing because that means we would have missed this trade altogether. I was not expecting like a move up like this right from the beginning, but then it dropped down. And as you can see, held this 110.7 area. And we entered right here. Whoops. We entered right here, as you can see above, after 5 minutes. So on this, basically the first hit of this green candle. So we entered in at 46 cents right here. And then as you can see, we had to wait about, let's see, 5, 10, 15, almost 20 minutes before this thing took off. Was still within our risk tolerance. So the low here was like 37, 38 cents. So still within kind of a risk range. Anything, if it had broken this 110.5 and dropped down to maybe here, 110.3, we probably would have sold, taken a loss. But we held on and it worked out great. We ended up getting stopped out on this candle right here after it shot through 112. The high here was like $1.10 or something. And I wanted to just protect profits just because we saw this downward move at the open, and the rest of the market was looking pretty red at the time as well. And so we ended up getting stopped out, sold at 95 cents for 106% profits, which is solid. Now, my initial target on this was this 112.94 or 113 area. Didn't get there until later on in the day, but we were already out. But even here, the high here was only like $1.39, or sorry, $1.50, I mean. But again, you would have had to held this huge move down, and the low here was like 60 cents. So you're giving up all that profit or potential profit for, potential gain. And then the risk reward just isn't worth it at that point. And again, why this 113 area? Well, if we go to the daily chart here, and this is what I was looking for. And as you can see, pretty much held. That's the area that we're looking to take profits on, roughly, or at least in between here. But I like to take profits at the start because, as you can see, failed this 113, rejected, and then rejected again after a small break of it. And we'll see what happens throughout the rest of the day. But we're happy with what we did. Amazon 112 calls from 46 cents to 95 cents for 160% profit. Crushed it. So like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram and TikTok. And again, everything loaded live from our Discord. So we'll catch you on the next video, guys, and see you all tomorrow.